We're dead as hell. Yeah. Dude, why don't you just go get a farm somewhere? Seriously, man. Go to an island where there's a farm and just raise chickens and corn, right? He's not built for the pirate life, man. Crying ass, scared ass. I would be scared too, but I wouldn't be like, thrashing around like that, man. That's what I'm saying. Yep. We're dead as hell. Nothing good. Baby 5, if you get killed by this bird cage, you can't get married, just so you know. So maybe you want to fly over there and shoot that moron in the ass, right?